The written language of English and the spoken language of English are different. And why is it different? Oops, I don't know why it's doing that. Why is it different? Why is it different? Why is the written language and the spoken language of English different? There's a difference between letters and sounds. So the number of letters in a word does not always equal the number of sounds in a word. So when we talk about letters, we're talking about the alphabet, which is used for spelling and writing words. We have 26 letters. We divide those into vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and consonants. All the other letters are consonants. So when we're talking about letters, the question is how many letters in the word? For example, rough, R-O-U-G-H. There are what? 5 letters in the word rough. Now, when we're talking about sounds, there are more sounds than letters. So this means one letter can have different sounds in different words. For example, the letter A, C-A-T, cat, C-A-K-E, cake, S-A-W, saw, P-A-R-E-N-T, parent. We have the same letter, but we have different sounds. A, air. Also, one sound can have different spellings. So we have the A sound, A, cake, A, male, but spelled A-Y, A, pay, A-Y, A-I, A-Y. So, because one sound can have different spellings, we need a different alphabet. We need the International Phonetic Alphabet, which is a special alphabet for the sounds of English. So these sound symbols are written between slashes. So you will see something like this. This symbol, the sound symbol, is for the sound TH, and this sound symbol is for the sound ah. So then we have the other question, how many sounds in the word? For example, how many sounds in the word rough? We have the r, f. So there's 3 sounds. We said 5 letters, but only what? 3 sounds. Now, when we talk about syllables, these are our sound units in English. And each syllable has one vowel sound. Sound, not letter, one vowel sound. And syllables in English are not equal. We have the stressed syllables, then they are stretched. That syllable will take longer to say. It will be louder, and it will be higher in pitch. And then we have the unstressed syllables, and they are shorter. And the way we make them shorter is the vowel sound is not clearly said. We make it smaller. We talk about the music of English language. Every language has its own music, and the correct rhythm of English depends on what? It depends on this combination of stressed and unstressed syllables. So remember, unstressed syllables have unclear vowels. If you pronounce the vowels clearly in unstressed syllables, then you change the rhythm of English, and this makes it harder for native speakers to understand you. So what we need, the big question is, can you identify, do you understand the difference in the number of letters in a word compared to the number of sounds in a word compared to the number of syllables? So we use the example rough, R-O-U-G-H, had 5 letters. F had 3 sounds. And how many syllables? Well, it only had 1 vowel in there, so it's 1 syllable word. I hope that was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can always email me at tommy.cunningham@mail.ccsf.edu. Do you know where the Olmec Head is on campus?